welcome to Maumee Valley. My name is Olivia Spencer and I serve as the registrar as well as administrative assistant in the upper school. In this video, I will walk you through everything you need to know about registering for success. Team schedules, term schedules, classes that are mandatory for your child, PE exemption, as well as important dates. Now let's begin. Our schedule is broken down into 5 terms, 3 intensives, and 2 semesters. The school year begins with a mandatory 9th grade intensive in the fall called Sustainable Cities. This class proves to be a great way for students to get to know each other while collaborating on projects as well as getting adjusted to the upper school environment. This fall intensive, like the others, is 3 weeks in length with the same teacher and classmates during the duration of the class. In future slides, I will show you the layout of the day within an intensive. In mid-September, students will start their 13-week first semester with 4 or 5 core classes. We will then come back to the new year, starting our second intensive, where 9th grade will be divided into their choice of class. In late January, we begin our second semester of 13 weeks, finishing year-long core classes such as English, math, and world language. Finally, we will end the year with our third and final intensive, again with a choice of class. This slide shows our typical schedule during an intensive. As the day begins and ends like any other day at Maumee Valley, there is built-in breaks along with a business person's lunch, long enough for students to meet with teachers, clubs, catch up with friends, or possibly get ahead on reading assignment on our Anning Law. Moving on to our term semester schedule. This is often the schedule that many parents have hanging on their refrigerators at home or students in their lockers at school to remind them of the daily class rotation. Our schedule was designed in rotation to give those students who are maybe not a morning person a chance to take classes at all times of the day, not just the same schedule every day in the same rotation. For example, you will notice AA period is at 10:15 a.m. on day 1, but on day 4 it is at 1:50 p.m. Students and teachers enjoy seeing each other at different times of the day, which makes planning for things like labs and presentations on days where their periods land on a longer time slot much easier. You might have noticed that classes before lunch are 85 minutes and those after lunch are 70 minutes. Again, breaks and the BPL lunch are built in. Moving ahead to the registration process, I would like to point out a few key points. The U.S. Resource Board is where everything needed for the registration process is stored. First, our course catalog. This 70-page document holds anything and everything you need to know about classes, clubs, as well as community service requirements to graduate. While I don't expect you to read the entire catalog, it is a good source to have to reference throughout the year. Also on the resource board, you will see the registration sheet. This is the form that your student is currently filling out with their 8th grade advisor. It is important that the forms are turned into the U.S. office by April 16th. Course placements for English, math, and world language are done by your child's 8th grade advisor, teachers, and Mr. Eric Graham. Parents are made aware of course placement during the March conference and confirmed by the end of the school year. Other core classes such as science, social studies, and fine arts are scheduled and will complete the 9th grade schedule. In June, I will begin building the schedule, and while there are typically less than 5% of 9th grade students who will have a scheduling conflict, those students with a conflict will be contacted by me in early June. Schedules along with advisor assignments are released 7 days before school starts on the student's MyMV page. Next, you will see a sample schedule for a 9th grade student. This schedule shows intensives beginning with a required 9th grade class and then health for the winter, a state required class that this student decided to complete early on. Finally, a fine art to end in the spring, but to start on their 1.5 credits needed to graduate. In the term classes, you will see core subjects, English, math, world language, science, and social studies. While our minimum is 4 classes each semester, we do allow students to take a 5th as PE, or fine arts if they so choose. Those who do not will be placed in a study hall that has proved to be beneficial for our new upper school students. Next, you will see an example of a 4-year plan. This is something that our freshmen will begin with their advisors in the first months of high school. It is a way to map out classes you are hoping to take or just to keep a log of classes taken and credits completed. Some advisors use different variations of the 4-year plans, although this specific one can be found on the U.S. Resource Board. This particular slide shows a student earning PE credit through classes at Maumee Valley. And this one shows a 4-year schedule with earning PE credit through our sports teams with a concentration on science. Every 4-year plan looks different and none are wrong. They are tailored to your child's interests, credits needed, and passions. In regards to our PE waiver, students at MV are able to earn PE credit through the waiver by simply playing 3 seasons of Maumee Valley sports over 2 academic years. Forms can again be found on the U.S. Resource Board and turned in before the fall term begins. Intensives, previously known as Winterim, are the heart of the upper school. Teachers choose intensives based on interest, passion, and sometimes hidden talent. Regardless of the credit a student needs to earn or a passion they want to follow, all of the 2021-2022 intensives can be found on page 51 of the U.S. catalog. And while this year has gone faster than any other before, the next school year will be here before we know it. Here you will find important dates to begin our school year. August 12th, students will receive their advisors and schedules as they are released on the Maumee Valley student account. August 16th, 9th and new student orientation. Our student council does a nice job organizing this and will be in contact with you in late summer. August 17th is our all-school family picnic. August 19th, the first day of school and when the first intensive begins. And this brings us to the end. Thank you so much for your interest and attention. I welcome you and your student to the upper school of Maumee Valley. Go Hawks!